Hello everybody, Molly Report Nation here, and today I have another awesome video for you guys today. Today we have the new Jet Bridge kit here from Clipper Models. So you can build your own jet bridge here. As you can see, here's some information here as well. Tips and do's and don'ts here. Everything that's included as well. You can also scan for instructions. It's pretty straightforward though if you've done a lot of jet bridge building in your life like me. So let's go ahead and get the parts out here. You see you have your standard parts here together, of course. Nice long pieces here so you can extend these nice and high into the sky. And of course, the connector here. Also, if you do have other connectors too, you can extend them out. I know Clipper Models here makes longer connectors too, so lots of options here, guys. Let's go ahead and get them out. I'm going to be putting some of these on my LAX here, just for example here, so you guys can see. And I'll probably just end up leaving them on this part here too. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, guys, we got everything together here. All you're gonna do is simply just take this part here, and what we're going to do, we're going to add one of these guys into the back here, just like so. All right, guys, let's go ahead and try this again. Forgive me for not having my phone on the stand here. Basically, the landscaper guys are outside my complex here, and they're just super loud, so forgive me in advance here, guys, but I'm not waiting till tonight for these guys to leave. I get they have a job to do, but come on. All right, here we go. So this is what it's like building this, guys. You just put this together here, just like so. Check that out, guys. Look at all the details here. And then you're gonna go ahead and put this piece here in the back. If you guys have done mini jet bridges before, then you know what's going on here. But if you haven't before, then welcome, guys. This is a great kit to get if you're just getting into the hobby as well and collecting and building an airport. It's really easy to piece these together. It's pretty straightforward. And the Clipper also offers instructions and a nice diagram here too. So you can scan that if you do have a smartphone or a tablet. So let me just set that right there. All right, and now we have to do the adjuster here, I'll call it. The stand. So you just push that in. And then next up, you take the stairs. They are flexible here, so don't worry, they're not broken. Just like so. Try to show you guys the best I can here. There it goes, okay? We'll get that in there. Just slides like that. Check this out, guys. Of course we're gonna get it on the airport. Look at that. So yeah, and you just build a few more of these. You get, I think you get like 6 in here. 5 or 6. 5-pack, you have 5. And then yeah, guys, we'll just go ahead and add this to the terminal here. So we'll show you guys in a second here. Just like so, we're just going to attach this on here. I know there should be 2 wide body gates here, but you guys get the point. And you can adjust it, of course. And there you have it, as well as the 2 other ones here, guys. So look at that. Super cool. I want to say thank you again to Clipper Models for sending me this out to review here. Absolutely amazing. Link in bio, guys, to their webpage and their store. Absolutely amazing here. I'll build a couple more, guys, and I'm going to show you guys what they all look like together here. And again, I have the Clipper Models Jet Bridge expanders here. These are sold separately, so just to note, they are separate from the package here. Well, guys, once again, shout out to Clipper Models here for these amazing jet bridges for the review. Go get them below, guys. Link in bio. Honestly, super cool. You can build them and put them together, of course. And honestly, they look really good on your airport. So you can't go wrong with, a few more jet bridges in your collection. Super cool, guys. We'll see you guys soon, guys. And happy collecting. Molly Report Nation to you.